Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best tension rod is probably one of the most versatile and indispensable bathroom accessories you can own, offering a simple yet effective solution for hanging shower curtains, organizing towels, or even creating temporary storage in tight spaces, making it an essential item for any modern bathroom seeking both functionality and a clean aesthetic. Number 5. Amazon Basics Easy Install Spring Tension Curtain Rod. Introducing the Amazon Basic Spring Tension Curtain Rod. It's the perfect solution for adding curtains to any space without any hassle. Forget about drilling holes or damaging your walls. This rod uses simple spring tension to stay securely in place. Easily adjust its length from 24 to 36 inches by simply twisting. It's ideal for showers, windows, or closet doors. Crafted from durable metal with a classic nickel finish, it adds a touch of style while being built to last. Its classic finials and sturdy design ensure a reliable hold, capable of supporting up to 7 pounds of fabric. Whether you have lightweight shears or heavier drapes, this rod is designed to accommodate a variety of fabric weights. What we like? This one is a classic choice for a simple setup. If you're looking for a no-fuss option for lighter curtains or shower liners, this is a great pick. It's ideal for those who prioritize ease of installation and a traditional look. What people say? The rod is sturdy, easy to adjust, and strong enough to hold a full garland without bowing or slipping. Installation took maybe a minute. Twist, press, and it locked in securely. The matte black finish also blends in nicely and doesn't look cheap up close. Number 4. Amazer Spring Tension Shower Curtain Rod. Enjoy a perfect fit for your shower stall with its adjustable length, extending from 26 to 42 inches. Installation is a breeze, offering a customized solution without any measuring or cutting. Its detachable ends make it easy to pair with your chosen shower curtain and hooks. You can personalize your bathroom's look effortlessly. This rod is designed with a rust-resistant and chip-resistant finish, ensuring it stays looking great for years to come. It's built for enduring quality and can hold up to 40 pounds. Setting it up is incredibly simple thanks to its tension mounting design. No drilling or tools are required, just a quick slant and extension to secure it in place. This versatile solution is suitable for any bathroom surface, whether smooth or textured. It looks great on wallpaper, tile, and wooden frames alike. What we like? For a more robust and long-lasting solution, consider this option. Its rust-resistant finish and higher weight capacity make it perfect for humid bathrooms. If you need a durable rod that can handle heavier curtains and want the flexibility to match your existing decor, this is the one. What people say? Was easy to install and no sagging. Surprisingly sturdy for the price. Good tension. Seems to stay put. Easy to install, just twist it to the right size. Sturdy and stays in place. We have had our 6 pounds curtains hanging on this rod for months and it has stayed up. Number 3. AIZESI Spring Tension Curtain Rods, White, 27-37. Introducing the AIZESI Spring Tension Curtain Rods, designed for your convenience. These short rods offer a versatile solution for various household needs. Easily adjust the length of these rods from 27 to 37 inches to fit your specific requirements. The durable construction features a metal rod with plastic ends and a baked paint finish. Perfect for use as support rods for doors and windows, wardrobe bars, or even drying racks. They are ideal for supporting lightweight items. Built with a strong stainless steel spring and non-slip rubber pads, these rods offer superior support. They are designed to hold twice the weight of ordinary products. For best performance, please use these rods within their adjustable range of 27 to 37 inches. This ensures reliable and effective support. At AIZESI, we are committed to providing an outstanding shopping experience. If you have any concerns, our customer service team is ready to assist you. What we like? If you need multiple rods for various small spaces, this pack is a fantastic value. It's designed for lighter applications, making it suitable for small windows or decorative hangings. If you're organizing closets or need simple dividers, this 2-pack offers convenience and affordability. What people say? Item is much sturdier than expected, it looks great, works great, and I'm very satisfied. No issues whatsoever. Item is exactly as described and easy to use. Holds very well and looks like it'll last a long time. Absolutely perfect little shower curtain rods for what I needed. 2 narrow shower entrances, the 2-pack is great. I got the narrow shower curtains recommended according to my dimensions. Perfect. Looks great, stability and tension are good. Great for lightweight curtains or other things you wish to hang. Tension is good, stays solid. A good size for certain areas. Number 2. Ausemku Never Rust Shower Curtain Rod. Tired of rusty shower rods? Ours uses advanced non-corrosion technology, ensuring it never rusts, no matter the environment. It's built with heavy-duty steel for maximum durability and can hold up to 30 pounds without falling. Installing this adjustable rod is a breeze, fitting any space from 26 to 76 inches. Simply expand or contract it to fit your needs, no drilling, screws, or tools required. Whether your walls are smooth or textured, this rod works perfectly. Its large rubber pads grip securely without scratching or damaging any surface, and they remove cleanly. Beyond the bathroom, this rod is incredibly versatile. Use it in your kitchen, bedroom, or even on the balcony to hang curtains for privacy or to block out light. We stand by our product's quality. If you encounter any issues or damage during shipping, our customer service is ready to assist with a replacement or refund. What we like? This rod is built for longevity and versatility. Its never rust feature and extensive length adjustment make it ideal for large shower spaces or even as a temporary clothes rack. If you need a heavy-duty, rust-proof solution that can adapt to various lengths and surfaces without damage, this is your best bet. What people say. The sturdy metal construction feels durable and well-made, providing excellent support for my shower curtains. The finish is sleek and resistant to rust, maintaining its appearance even in a humid bathroom environment. No tools are required, just twist and adjust to the desired length. The non-slip rubber ends ensure a secure fit, preventing any slipping or sagging over time. The rod is highly adjustable, fitting a wide range of shower sizes. I've used it in different bathrooms with varying dimensions, and it always provides a snug and secure fit. Number 1. AIZESI White Adjustable Tension Curtain Rod. Introducing our new tension rod, designed for quick and easy setup without any drilling. Simply twist to adjust and secure it in place. This rod offers a versatile adjustable range, perfect for various spaces. It extends from 26 to 39 inches, with an optimal use range of 28 to 36 inches. Crafted from sturdy carbon steel with a beautiful white baked enamel finish, this rod is built to last. Its robust design ensures reliability. Featuring PVC anti-skid pads on both ends, it provides superior grip to prevent slipping or falling. Enjoy peace of mind knowing it stays put. Ideal for a wide range of uses, including kitchen windows, doorways, and even for temporary air conditioner setups. It's a flexible solution for many household needs. Installation is a breeze with its simple rotating mechanism. Just extend it to your desired length and twist to lock it securely. What we like? This option offers a sturdy and secure hold with its carbon steel construction and anti-skid ends. The splicing design allows for a wide range of adjustments, making it adaptable for various window sizes or doorways. If you prioritize a strong grip and a clean, modern aesthetic for your hanging needs, this is a reliable choice. What people say. Installation was very simple, no tools needed. I just adjusted the length and twisted to secure them in place. They're holding lightweight curtains securely without slipping, and the black finish looks clean and blends in nicely. It comes in a 2-pack, so if one breaks on the first try you got a second one. It worked for me. What holds the curtains up in my bathroom window just fine. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.